Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. If you find value in today's topic, please do hit the like button and share this video with your loved ones. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. We are about to embark on a journey into a world often unseen, but widely experienced. A world that lurks in our kitchens, hides in our grocery stores, and even sneaks into our favorite meals. Today, we are unveiling the sugar addiction. Sugar, it's sweet, it's comforting, it's addictive. Yes, you heard me right. Sugar, much like certain drugs, can create an addiction. It might seem unusual to compare a morning donut or a sweetened latte to a substance like cocaine, but when it comes to your brain, the difference might not be so vast. Indicates that sugar, and processed foods high in sugar, stimulate the same pleasure centers in our brains that respond to addictive drugs. When we consume sugar, our brains release a surge of dopamine, that feel-good neurotransmitter that makes us associate sugar with happiness, comfort, and reward. Over time, our brains can start to crave that dopamine rush. Much like a drug, we need more and more sugar to achieve the same level of pleasure. This cycle of craving and reward is what can lead to a full-blown sugar addiction. Top of this, sugar can also trigger the release of endorphins, those feel-good hormones that reduce pain and stress. This double whammy of dopamine and endorphins can make resisting sugar a real challenge. And let's not forget about processed foods. They're often loaded with hidden sugars. Even foods that don't taste sweet, like bread and pasta sauce, can have a heap of added sugar. This hidden sugar can keep us hooked without us even realizing it. So what are we to do in the face of this sugar addiction? Is it all doom and gloom? Absolutely not. Knowledge is power, and knowing how sugar affects our brains is the first step in taking control. Sugar addiction is real, and it's one of the biggest challenges we face in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. But don't worry, we have the solution for you. Now that we've established the addictive nature of sugar, you might be wondering, how does this affect me? The impacts of sugar addiction are far-reaching and can significantly influence your health and overall quality of life. When you consume excess sugar, your body has to work overtime to process it. This can lead to weight gain as your body stores the excess sugar as fat. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The constant influx of sugar can also cause your body's insulin response to go haywire, potentially leading to type 2 diabetes, a chronic condition that affects how your body metabolizes sugar. Moreover, the extra weight and the strain on your body can lead to heart disease, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. But it's not just physical health that gets affected. The mental health implications are equally alarming. Regular spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels can lead to mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. Moreover, the cycle of sugar addiction can be self-perpetuating. You feel stressed or low, you reach for a sugary treat to feel better, then you crash, feel worse, and the cycle continues. It becomes a vicious circle that's hard to break free from. Sugar addiction can also affect your cognitive functions. High sugar intake is linked to memory issues and reduced ability to learn and concentrate. It's like throwing sand into the gears of your brain, causing it to work less efficiently. The impact extends to your oral health as well. Consuming too much sugar can lead to tooth decay and gum diseases, as sugar provides an ideal environment for harmful bacteria to thrive. The consequences of sugar addiction are severe, impacting every aspect of your life, from your physical health to your mental well-being, your cognitive functions, even your smiles. The impacts of sugar addiction are severe, but the good news is it's never too late to take control of your health. The first step is acknowledging the issue, and the next is taking action. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Every small step towards reducing your sugar intake counts. So we've unveiled the sugar addiction and its impacts. Now let's explore the solution. The first line of defense in this sweet battle is adopting a balanced diet. Yes, you heard it right. It's not about completely banning sugar from your life, but rather about creating a harmonious balance. Opt for whole foods over processed ones. Fruits, vegetables, proteins, and whole grains are your allies here. They will keep you satiated and lessen the urge for a sugar fix. Now, let's talk about regular exercise. It's not just about shedding those extra pounds. Regular physical activity triggers the release of chemicals in your brain, that make you feel happier and more relaxed. It's a natural mood booster that can help curb your sugar cravings. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a high-energy dance class, find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Up is mindful eating. This is all about paying attention to what and when you eat. It's about savoring each bite and appreciating the flavors of your food. When you eat mindfully, you are more likely to notice when you are full and stop eating. This can help prevent overeating and reduce your sugar intake. How do you incorporate these strategies into your everyday life? Start small. Make one change at a time. Perhaps start by adding a piece of fruit to your breakfast or swapping out your afternoon cookie for a handful of nuts. Gradually increase your physical activity. Perhaps take the stairs instead of the elevator or park your car a little further away. And when it comes to mindful eating, try to eat without distractions. Turn off the TV, put down your phone, and focus on your meal. Overcoming sugar addiction is not a one-day event, it's a journey. But with these strategies, you are well on your way to a healthier lifestyle. Remember, every step you take towards reducing your sugar intake is a victory. Celebrate those victories, no matter how small they may seem, because in the grand scheme of things, they add up to a big win, a win over the sugar addiction. Before we wrap up, we have a bonus tip for you. We've talked about the sugar monster, the impact of sugar addiction, and the solutions to this sweet dilemma. Now, for those of you still with us, here's a little extra something. Imagine this, a bonus tip that is as simple as it is effective. A small change, a minor tweak in your daily routine that could make a huge difference. This tip is not about denying your sweet tooth, but about making smarter choices. You see, the secret is in the swap. Next time you feel the urge to reach for a candy bar or a can of soda, why not try a piece of fresh fruit instead? An apple, a banana, or a handful of berries can satisfy your craving for sweetness, while also providing your body with essential vitamins and fiber. And what about those processed foods we all love so much? Well, instead of a bag of chips, try a handful of nuts or seeds. They're packed with healthy fats and protein, and they'll keep you feeling satisfied for longer. Now, this might seem too simple, too easy even, but that's the beauty of it. The best solutions are often the simplest ones. You don't need to make drastic changes to your lifestyle or embark on a strict diet to overcome sugar addiction. Small, consistent changes can make a big difference over time. And remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. It's about making healthier choices, one step at a time. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts on today's topic. Your feedback matters to us. Stay blessed and blissful. Until next time, take care.